Hello guys. So today I decided to do something very quick and I was trying to build a loan web application, sorry, in my free time. So I do it very quick in a free time that I had today. So what you are seeing here is a registration JavaScript, the logic behind the prevention of you logging into a app without you having a validation. So this one is a login.js. As you can see, it's going to validate you in order for you to get to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard area, and this is the body of the text and the body of the website, and everything you need to know is here. So this is the logic, the code. It was just a quick one. So now let's go live and see what actually happened there. All right, so this is the result of what I built today in my free time. So as you can see, it has a dashboard that you can be able to see. They say welcome to Switch Loan. I just give it a random name, a Switch Loan. So I do a little animation in that welcome and all that. So if you can see, get started. When you mouse over it, it's going to give you a little animation and all that. So let's continue. As you can see, you see small little animation rolling on welcome to a Switch Loan. So let's click on start it. This is the registration um page. So this registration page, I write a logic that if your password and your confirmed password is not the same, it should decline you. So let's put a random phone number, random passwords in the registration, and your password should be a 6 digit. If it's not up to 6 digit, you are not be able to log in or register this particular web application. So your password should be 6 digits, and your name and your last name and your Gmail should also be. If you are not putting at in your Gmail, you are not going to be able to register on this web application. And if your password and your confirmed password is not there, you're going to say password do not match. So as you can see in the screen, they say password do not match. So let's put that one and try again. Let's try again. So now the password and everything is correct and my Gmail. So now it's taking you to a login. So your login, if you forget your password, because this is a pure HTML, I don't have a database. I don't do a MySQL or PHP or Python. No, I don't do that. So what I do here, I just use a JavaScript JSON to store the user data when the user registered, and then it's going to extract the data again when you want to log in. So that is exactly what is happening here. As you can see, welcome to our Switch Loan dashboard. This is my credit score and all that. It's just a random. It's not normal a credit score. So now let's apply for a loan. First of all, your name. I don't want to put my NIN here. Let me skip that side. This is your marital tattoos. This is your marital tattoos. You are going to pick single. You are going to also your education level. You are going to put your education. I'm going to put and then you put your this thing, your monthly income. Let me just put a random monthly income, self-employed, and then click on next. Now this particular part is going to entails you putting your banking details here and your PVN. Without you putting your PVN, you will not be able to get this particular loan. So let me take my camera out in order for me to put this my PVN here. All right, so welcome to the dashboard. You are here at the dashboard again. Now let's borrow the loan. Now what I do here is that once you apply for a loan, there's going to be a button. After you apply for a loan, fill the form, a button will pop up and you will say borrow loan, and you can see I have 43.2 million to borrow. But this particular money is based on your monthly income. They are paying you, they are validating you based on your monthly income. So if your monthly income is 10 million, that means you are going to get the highest loan amount, you get. So if your monthly income is 10,000, that means you are going to get the lowest amount loan limit. So you can see they say invalid loan limit, please try with the eligibility. What they are giving to you is what you are going to put. So let's put 43, let's say 42 million naira here. Yeah, 42 million. Let's click on okay. Your loan of 42 million has been disbursed to your account. If you click OK, you are going to see the current loan amount you are owing them now, and your current balance is 43.50 thousand naira you already had on the account. As you can see, loan embossment is going to see the recent transaction that you have made on the dashboard. But this is just a random thing I just do on my free time, and this is the loan repayment, the months. Each month you are going to repay this loan until you pay, and the amount you are going to be paying until you paid this exactly for the 2 days. That is what you are seeing. So let's withdraw our money. Let's withdraw our money. Right? Let's put that 42 million and leave the 50,000 still on the dashboard. All right. Let's click on your 42 has been withdrawn from your account. Right. So as you can see, there is no more money again, but you still own the loan. As you can see, 42 has been withdrawn to your account in your recent transaction, and you are still going to get that loan amount. Is still highlighting that you are going to pay on 18, that you are paying every day until you pay this for the 3 million. So if you want to repay, they are going to give you. So this particular place, I use integer. In JavaScript, there's what we call integer number. I use integer to generate a random number